part 2 of Steve Ozai and this guy with the phone. Somebody give me a helicopter, please.